Yes, guys, so it's Florida is having a little bit of drop in the weather. I like to take advantage of this stuff, bring me back to my childhood. I didn't have any cornmeal to make the cornmeal porridge I grew up on. I am not a fan of oatmeal porridge. I like to soak oatmeal, but I don't like to cook it. I don't like the texture once it's cooked. So what I have was cream of wheat. This used to be me and my son's thing. He's not home anymore, so it's not me and my husband's. So we will be enjoying some cream of wheat this morning. Guys, I so hope you enjoy this video, because this is something, if you, the adults, don't like it like I do, then the children, this is great for the kids. So I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you for visiting. May you have a blessed and wonderful week. Love you. Bye. So for you Jamaicans that know, you know we like to eat wheat or cornmeal porridge with hard dough bread. Don't have that, so what I usually use anyway these days is Ritz crackers. And I actually like to crumble it up on the top of my porridge just like I'm still a kid. Like I say, it's just one of those things I enjoy as a child, and I just wanted to come back and share this part with you about enjoying some Ritz crackers with your cream of wheat, okay? God bless.